Welcome to lesson 2 of soccer skills. Today we're going to be focusing on turning with our soccer ball. So remember, for this you're going to need a soccer ball and a marker or two, or something that's going to mark a spot on the ground. Our warm-up today are going to be toe taps. This is where the ball is going to be in front of us and in a stationary position. We're going to tap the top of the ball with one of our foot. We're going to swap our feet, put the weight on the other foot and tap the ball with the other foot. Okay, so I'm going to show you how it's done right now. Try and do this for about 20-30 seconds straight, okay, or even longer if you're finding you're having a lot of fun with it. Once you've done your warm-up of toe taps, then we're going to move on to our first turning skill, which is the drag back. So the drag back is where we're going to dribble our ball towards our marker. When we reach the marker, we're going to move the ball the opposite direction in a 180-degree turn, okay, and turn the other direction. When we use our feet, we're going to either use the bottom of our foot, or we're going to turn and use the side of our foot back in the direction we came from. The next turning skill is the cut back. Okay, so the cut back, we're going to once again dribble towards a marker. When we reach that marker, we're then going to use our furthest foot away from where we came from, use the inside part of that foot and drag the ball back, cut the ball back in behind us, okay, and turn in a 180-degree direction. The next skill is the step over. This is where we're once again going to dribble our ball towards our marker. We're going to step over the ball and then use the outside of our foot and bring it back and turn in a 180-degree motion. Okay, make sure you keep your body position nice and low. Bend those knees when you're doing this activity. Alright, the last turning skill is the twister. This is where we're going to have the ball continue to move in a forwards direction, but our body is actually going to twist. Okay, it's going to make our opponent find it difficult to actually get to the ball whilst we are moving. Okay, so with this one, we're going to lift our left foot as the ball is rolling, tap the top of the ball, spin our body, use the bottom of our right foot, roll the ball continuing on with us, and twist in a 180-degree, okay, after we've touched it. This one's a little bit more difficult. Watch it a few times and then practice at home. Hope you did really well with those ones and you spent a bit of time practicing each of those skills. Now, they're not always going to come first go, and they definitely didn't for me. That twister was definitely a challenge for me. So if you're having trouble, remember, always say to yourself, I can't do it yet.